First one.
So what I did was I times x and 3 to get the denominator, which is 3x, and then I just did 5 times 3, which is 15, and x times x, which is x squared, so 15 plus x squared over 3x.
That's it. That's correct. Perfect. That's perfection. And another way you can do it is, which you've just done, I usually highlight with colors because sometimes some people forget. I use multiply those two. Let's put some other color. Multiply those two.
Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah.
Multiply those two. And if you were to draw it like a table, it would be what they call an upside down table. Because if you draw a table like that,
oh right, yeah, I see.
You see that that's a table which is upright.
Yeah.
So that's why sometimes some people call it upside down table, or some people call it butterfly or whatever name. But you're doing it perfectly correct.
Yeah, I just have it memorized.
Did you used to draw the colors like that?
No, I just have it memorized. I just have to do that.
Yes, you've learned it from hard work, which is correct, and that's the best way, by practice. This next one.
So I did the same thing. So 2x times 4, which is 8x, to get the denominator.
So we did x.
And then 7 times 4, which is 28. And 2x times 3x, which is 6x squared.
Slowly.
28 minus 6x. Yeah.
I wish I could write that fast. 2x times 3x is
6x squared.
6x squared.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Cannot simplify anymore. That's another great effort on that. Nice one. Well,
x times 7, and then 5x, 5 times 3x, which is 7x over 15x. And then for the second one, I did.
But is that all for this one? Can you simplify more?
Oh yeah, I can. Yeah, just 7 over 15.
So this will cancel, and you end up with 7 over 15. Okay, for this next one.
So I did the exact same thing, just flip the x7 and x around. So it's 3x times x, which is 3x squared, and 5 times.
Slowly. Yes. So I write 3x over 5. I change that to times.
All right, yeah, and then it's x over 7.
X over 7.
And then I just do normal multiplication, so it's 3x squared over 5 times 7, which is 35.
Let's go over 35. Perfect. That's correct. Corner and thing. How can I simplify? Because that's the first thing. So the first thing is you keep the first side the same. 3 bracket x plus 1 all squared divided by 5x. Change that divide to times. And then you flip this one. So that becomes 8x cubed divided by, what do I write under?
9x. 9x plus 1, yeah.
9 bracket x plus 1. Now, as it is like this, do I ask myself, what can I cross out to simplify? You can see 5 divided by 5 is 1, 20 divided by 5 is 4. You see that we can simplify that part.
Oh, we're going to use the upside. Wait, no.
No, we're just simplifying because we're multiplying. 5 divided by 5. Can you see the yellow line I put?
Yeah.
5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4.
Oh, right, yeah, I see, okay.
So we're simplifying the numbers. Another one we can simplify. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Another thing we can simplify, what has x in it? We'll use this one. You can see you can cross out this x plus 1 and cross out one of them here. because there's x plus 1 underneath. Did you see that?
Yeah, I see.
So what we can write now is at the top, we only have, what do we have left at the top? We only have x plus 1. At the bottom, we only have
X.
No, the x can cancel. This x, one of them could cancel with this one, so we'll end up with 2.
Okay.
So at the bottom, we'll have 1.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
We'll have 1. The times will stay the same. At the top now, we have 4 times 2.
4.
Can you see
4x squared, right?
12x squared
Is it?
divided by 3 at the bottom. Can you see that? Can you see the 4 and
Yeah.
No, yes. No, not 4 times 2. That's
Isn't it 4x squared?
It's just x squared. That would have been the biggest mistake. It is just 4 and then x squared.
Yeah.
You see that?
Mm.
Now we can put it together. I always like to put numbers in front. So it's 4/3 and then the x squared and then x plus 1. You see that method? So your answer is the same. Over 3, I forgot the 3 there. Your answer is the same. You're correct. This one is the same. It's correct. Now it's in an exam. Which one do you think is faster? This one or this one? Usually you just go for the one that you feel comfortable with. But what I know is that when there's too much multiplications, you can make a big mistakes. So that's why I always say go for the one which looks shorter so that you have less mistakes. But the 2 of them are correct if you use those 2 methods. So I'm glad you can do that type of questions because they're the hardest part of algebra for your GCSE. So it's already into A level, really. This is A level stuff. Well done. Congratulations and great effort for that.